Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that promises an unparalleled flying experience. The Ultra HD 4K 60 frames per second FPV drone system. This quadcopter is designed to impress, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced pilot looking for top-tier performance. It's built around an advanced O3 air unit and features a powerful 6S 2450 kV VDX, making it a serious contender for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Right off the bat, the video quality is a major highlight. This drone boasts high-definition anti-shake 4K 60 frames per second video capture. That means you're getting ultra-clear, smooth aerial footage, perfect for cinematic projects or just capturing stunning views. The O3 air unit integration is key here, contributing significantly to that clear and stable image transmission and recording. It truly elevates what you can achieve with aerial videography. When it comes to performance, this drone is equipped with efficient and powerful 1804 motors. These motors ensure that flights are smooth and responsive, giving the pilot precise control, whether they're performing freestyle maneuvers or simply navigating complex environments. The drone feels agile and stable in the air, which is crucial for getting those perfect shots, especially when combined with the advanced TPU shock absorption system. This system helps keep the camera steady, resulting in clearer imaging even during dynamic flights. Durability is another area where this quadcopter stands out. It's constructed with high-toughness, impact-resistant materials, including grain-cut carbon fiber. This robust build means it can handle the occasional bump or crash that comes with FPV flying, giving pilots more confidence to push their limits. Adding to its unique design, there's an embedded cob light strip within the propeller guard. This isn't just for aesthetics. It also enhances visibility, which is a practical feature, especially when flying in varying light conditions. Looking at its features, it's described as beginner-friendly, which is great news for newcomers to the FPV world. It's also app-controlled, adding convenience to its operation. The mention of long battery life is always a welcome point for any drone pilot, allowing for more flight time and less downtime. It's clearly designed as a drone with a camera first and foremost, focusing on delivering high-quality visuals. This drone is versatile, suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Whether you're into fast-paced action scenes or capturing serene landscapes, its stable and agile performance ensures spectacular results. It's positioned as ideal for a variety of uses, from professional filmmaking to recreational flying. It's presented not just as a piece of technology, but as an extension of a creative vision, a reliable partner in the creative journey. With its advanced features and professional tuning, it's more than just a flying camera. It's a tool to transform aerial videography.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.